I'm here at Ride Shock's headquarters to tell you more about our game-changing 4Runner suspension. All of these parts were carefully designed to fit together for comfort and performance for your 4Runner, whether it's stock or modified. All these parts are available as a complete kit for your 4Runner, including bump stops, control arms, and shocks to fit 285/70/17 tires with no cab mount chop required. Our adjustable coilovers have a threaded preload ring to help you get the level ride height that you want. Our spring and shock package were designed together. They give you the best on and off-road performance, allowing for the best comfort possible. When you buy Ride Shocks, you get a detailed installation instructions that helps you put it together yourself or to provide to your installer. We also have a one-of-a-kind setup guide that helps you to get that level ride height you want. If you're not exactly sure how everything goes together, make sure to put your vehicle information in the specifications box below. A Ride Shocks team member will make sure to go through it and make sure that everything is dialed in for the right ride quality and leveled ride height. Thanks for watching the video today on this brand new complete suspension for your 4Runner. If you have any questions about how it applies to your vehicle, how to fit tires, get that level ride height, feel free to shoot us an email.